Alright, welcome back to the Architect's Workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach a straight railing to a stair. Now, sometimes when you bring in stairs, they come in with their own railing and then you delete the railings, and for some reason, you can't think of how to put the railings back on the stair. So, if you want to know how to put railings on stairs, I've made other videos on how to put them on stairs and how to put them on ramps. You can check them out. There are links in the description box below. But assuming what you did was you created a railing, let's just draw a straight line, right? You created a railing all the way and you found that the railing was just there, straight, right under your stairs instead of on your stairs. So there's actually a way to attach this railing on your staircase. What you do is you click on the railing that you want to attach, and then you just go to your tab and you just pick new host. So when you select that and you pick the staircase component, you see that it adjusts itself. Now there are certain things you notice about this. One, because we drew it in the middle, it's in the middle of the stairs. Now another thing is it extends beyond the boundary of the stairs. There is actually a way to adjust this. All you have to do, one, to adjust the railing so that it comes to the edge of the stair, all you do is you click on the railing and then you see on your properties panel you have an offset from path. So you click over there and you can adjust the offset to, let's see 100. Okay, it moves in the east direction, so let's see 500. Let's see 700, right? So you can keep adjusting it till it moves into the right position, the position that's best for you. I think it's okay at 600. Now another thing is it extends beyond the stairs. So all you have to do to correct this issue is you click on the stairs and then you go to your modify tab and then you click on split elements. So you can do this in your plan view, you can do this in your 3D view. What you're just doing is you are splitting it so that you can delete the other parts. Did you see what I did? Let's go again. Click on the railing component, click on split, and then we're just going to split it somewhere around here. And you see it adjusts itself. If we need it a bit more, it adjusts itself. We delete. That's it. So let me undo so that we can see how this would work if we were working on the plan view. So on the plan view, you see over here that it extends. This is the boundary of the stairs and this is where the railing extends to. So same thing, I'll click on the split element to come here, split it and delete the other aspect. And when I'm back to the 3D view, you see that it's right on target. So if I want this to be on the other side, honestly, all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the railing and I'm just going to mirror it to the other side. Alright, so that's it. That's just how you add railings to the 3D view. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and if there's anything else you want to know about railings, please comment in the description box below. Thank you.